Alright, so here's a quick update of what I've been doing behind the scenes this week. So, if you have been following me, you know that I've been trying to figure out what skills I can turn into real valuable products for others. So, here's what happened. So, I've been using Notion for the past 4 years, like it's been my second brain. Every part of my life, from studying to planning to my gym, everything is on Notion. And I recently discovered that a lot of advertising studios and agencies still managing their work with a bunch of scattered tools, like they're using WhatsApp for chatting, Excel, random voice notes, emails. It's all scattered around. And I realized there is a better way to do this, and that is Notion. So I decided to build something for them. I started working on a simple, clean dashboard designed specifically for their workflow. So right now I've built a basic version of it, and this version includes all the core stuff that they might need, from a project tracker to a task tracker, a client portal, and a team management system. So I've kept the layout simple and reduced the steps needed to perform a certain action, like to add a new project. You don't need to click on the projects tab, then go down and add a new page. You can directly just do that through a click of a button. So I made these changes because if it's not simple enough for anybody to use it, no one will use it. So this week I showed the template to an contact of mine who owns an agency, and I hopped on a call and I showed him through the dashboard, and he loved it. Like, he told me this is actually what they were looking for. But he also asked me if I could make a custom version for their agency specifically, like their particular workflows and all. So for now, I'm sending this template to them just for them to check it out and use it and get a feel of it. They're complete Notion beginners. They didn't know Notion even existed before this. So they need to transition through their previous workflow to this template. So that's why I'm sending this, and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, this kind of thing is exciting for me because I'm finally taking action and doing things. And it's the first time I'm taking something I know very well and creating a product out of it. So I just wanted to share this mini update and just share what I'm doing right now. And if you're in a creative team or you know someone who owns an agency or a production house, maybe this could help them. Anyways, I'll keep building, keep testing, and I'll share the updates along the way of where my progress is at right now. So I'll see you guys in the next video.